Okay, simple interest का 3 minute वाला simple interest वाला पहले सवाल करते हैं. Let's understand what simple interest is, then we go on from that. Okay, simple interest is given as PRT divided by 100. Okay, simple interest का simple formula, the P is the principal. Principal amount is what you invested. What you invested in any bank or you put in. Okay, R is the rate of return, P is the principal, R is the rate of return. R is the rate of return, but we also call it sood. Okay, in Urdu हम लोग कहते हैं सूद, जो हराम वाला होता है interest, ठीक है? And T is the time. T is the time in years. We are dealing with normally is per annum. Per annum. An easy question of this kind would be like, जी हमने एक लाख रुपए invest किए. We invested 100,000 in our bank accounts. Okay, let me just get this camera straightened out. Yes, we invested 100,000 in my bank account. Put your pens down for 2 minutes just to get a hang of what's going on. Moby, that's me, invested $100,000. Simple interest for 3 years and 8 months. Okay, at a rate of 8% per annum. Or would you like 6% per annum? 6 would do fine, 8 would do fine. Let's do 8% per annum, okay? Right? Tell me what the amount became at the end of 3 years and 8 months. Now everybody put your pens down for 2 seconds. You have to go on a fresh page. कुछ चीजें मैं सिखा रहा हूं जिसका ताल्लुक एटीट्यूड से है. Okay, you need to have an attitude to solve a question. Okay, so this is the question. We're going to leave the question on this side, the simple interest, and I'm going to show you how to solve it in the most decent way. ठीक है? मैं कह रहा हूं मेरा amount क्या हो गया? Be very careful. What did it become at the end of 3 years and 8 months? Okay? तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पहले बताओ कितना कमाया हमने. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कितना कमाया हमने? How much simple interest did we actually earn? So what we're going to do is that we're going to say, okay, how much simple interest did we actually earn? Simple interest is PRT divided by 100. The amount I invested was 100,000. The rate of return 8%. Time, now this is a problem. 3 years and 8 months. Now listen up, my friends. We have a problem. अगर 3 years होता 3 लिख के divide by 100 कर देता. छन कितना कमाया हमने वो बाहर आ जाता. Correct? कितना सूद कमाया, कितना हमने interest कमाया. Correct? But that's not how it is. He said no, 3 years and 8 months. Now what is 3 years? 36 months. Allah, 18 months. 3 years is 36 months, okay? Okay, 3 years is 36 months and 8 months, that's a 44-month game. Yes or no? 44 months. Now my A grade attitude क्या कहता है कि तुमने इसको years और decimals में नहीं करो, इसको सीधा सीधा 44 divided by 12 लिख दो. You see, the time is in years, but you're getting a mix. You're getting years and months. So why don't you make it all 44 months? Is everybody with me? You just make it 44 months divided by 12. Yalla. Okay, let me explain this. 12 months, 1 year. Yes or no? 24 months, 2 years. So, yaar, this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing 44 divided by 12. Is everybody with me? Farhan, are you with me, buddy? Farhan?
Yes, sir.
Manahir, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
You Manahir? Okay. Right. Okay. Monsi, Zara, are you with me? Beta, samajh mein aa raha hai? Zara?
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. So I did 44 44 months divided by 12. Okay, I'm a smart guy, okay? Please try to understand this. And I do the chan. Okay, 4 2s are 12, 4 3s are 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Got it? So that's 44 into 2 is, pick up your calculators, 88 into 1000 is 88,000. Divide by 3. 88,000 divided by 3. How much is the answer?
29.333.
29333 points. Oh, mashallah. Okay, that means मैंने 29,333.33 dollars interest कमाया. Okay, now please, my students always need to remember. He said in English, what does Moby's amount become? I use the word become. Means 1 lakh kahin nahi gaye. Usme $29,333.33 add up ho gaye. Are you with me? Motashim Kamal, are you with me? Manahil. Shees, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. Vaji, are you getting through? Vaji, yeah, okay. Shazeen, Vaji, Sarmad, are you getting it, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Uzaifa, Zara?
Yes, sir.
Zara, are you with me, beta? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Zara, are you sure? Takalluf nahi karna mere saath, okay? I'm a no takalluf teacher, okay? Alizia, are you getting it? Ali bin Ashar? Adil Zahid, are you getting it?
Yes, sir. I'm getting it.
Okay. Brilliant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, Iman Nadeem is just one up. So we have $29,333, my friends. $29,333 simple interest kama liya humne. Mubin initially had $100,000. Remember that? Add the 29,333.333333. Mashallah. It became $129,333.33. So this is my answer. The Moby was asked how much his amount became. So it's $129,333.33. Is that clear? Is that clear? Did you guys get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
to add a note. Islamically speaking, sood is haram, okay? Just by the way. Do the question. You got 1 minute to do this question again, everyone. Live on. 1 minute to do this question. Then we go on to the next question. Remember the question. The question was 100,000 was invested for 3 years and 8 months at 8% simple interest. What did the amount become at the end of 3 years and 8 months? Calculate the simple interest on $66 at 8% per annum. Annum means annum nahi hai ye, annum hai. Okay? Per annum, annum means yearly. Okay, yearly. Calculate it yearly. Okay, for 11 months. Come on, Nike. I give you 2 minutes to win this. Come on, hurry up. Avoid calculators. Try to do chan. Try to do chan. Ali bin Ashar, sir, can we use a calculator for these questions? Avoid it, Ali. Ali, avoid using a calculator. बच्चा ये रखो. Hello, auntie. रखो मेरे पास. Sure, sir. Thanks. Done? SI is equal to PRT divided by 100. Yalla, set up. Come on, hurry up.
Done, sir.
Done, brilliant.
Sir,
Done, sir.
Okay. Principal amount कितना है? 66. Rate of return कितना? 8. Into time कितना? 11 divided by 12 into 100. Eyes on the board. Look here. You know why I said no cals? Put your pens down. Yalla. Put your pens down, everyone. Guys, watch me live. Put your pens down. See how do I do chan chan. 4 2s, 4 3s, 3 Wahid, 3 22, 2. No, you don't even have to do that. Okay, you can actually. 2 50, 2 11, 2 25, 11 11s are 121 divided by 25. Now this is 4 whole 21 over 25. 21 over $25. You can actually write your answer this way. Okay? Do you understand? How much interest did he earn? 11 months, $4, 21 over 25. Do you understand how I did it? Should I do it again?
No, sir.
Should I do it again?
Yes, sir.
Let me do it again.
Yes,
Do it
sir.
again. Once more. Simple interest 66 into 8%. PRT over principal amount is 66. Rate of return is 8. Time period is 11. Divide by 12. Why did I say divide by 12? Because we are dealing 11 months. Got it? तो उसको years में कितना हो गया? Divide by 12. Of course, formula के अंदर divide by 100 तो है ये. Okay, now let's do the chan chan. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2 50 ja. 2 11 2 25. 11 into 11 121. Divide by 25. So 25, what's the 121? 25 fours are 100. And we have 21 divided by 25 left. Nike. Nike says, just do it. Come on, hurry up. Come on, Nike. Come on, Iman Nadeem, are you with me live? Iman? Beta, are you with me? Iman Nadeem? Ariba Mania, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Anab Kashif?
Yes, sir.
जहां से समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? मानूर सिद्दीकी? Shazeen Malik, are you there? Zara, are you with me? Yes, we can write the answers in decimal. If you choose to write the answer in decimal, then there's another way of doing this question. There's another approach to it. Watch what I do. Put your pens down. Okay, Zara asked a very brilliant question. She said, can I write the answer in decimals? Yes, you can, Zara. And I'll teach you how to do in decimals. Watch. Simple interest is PRT divided by 100. Okay, see whether we can do it in decimals without even a problem. Ready? Amount kitna tha? 66. Rate of return 8. Time 11. Divide by 12 into 100. Watch. 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 1s are 3 22s are. Eyes on the board. 11 2s are 11 2s are. Live with me, everybody. Live with me. I'm not using a calculator. Things like this your teachers don't do. 11 2s are 22 into 22. Go on the side. 22.
22.
22.
84. I know the multiplications. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Chan chan. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 8 4. It's 484 divided by 100. Zara Haq, watch what I'm doing. Others also. Mr. DL. Mr. DL का मतलब है multiply. Shift the decimal on the right. Yes, Sadiq, watch what I'm doing. Mr. DL. When you multiply, shift the decimal on the right. When you divide, shift the decimal on the left. What am I doing? Divide. Yes or no? Chan, left. 2 bounces on the left. Answer is $4.84. Did I do any major calculations? Class gets over at 8 o'clock. I'll be उठा लिएगा ऐसे, ठीक है? Okay. I repeat myself. 11 twos are 22. 22 into 22 is an easy multiplication. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 484. So answer I have 484. Divide by 100. Then I do the chan. Shift the decimal on the left. Wahid Atran. 4.84. That's your answer. Without doing any major calculation use. Okay? Got the answer? Got the answer? Come on. Zara, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Good. समझ में आया बेटा? Okay, next. Ariba. Mania, are you with me? Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Let's go. अभी हमने simple interest किया है. One more question and I give you 1 minute for it. Is everybody with me? $600 was invested simple interest for 3 years for 3 years at X% per annum. If the amount became $660 at the end of 3 years, remember it's simple interest. Find the value of X. Jaldi se. Find the value of X.
Done, sir.
Thank you very much,
Done, sir.
Shamir.
Done, sir.
Okay, Shamir was the first one to do it, so he's going to explain to us in 2 minutes, 1 minute time.
Done, sir.
How to do it, okay? $660 बन गए, उसमें 600 माइनस करो. 600 इन्वेस्ट किया था, they became 660. So what is the simple interest? 660 minus 600. What's my simple interest? 60. Formula क्या है? PRT over PRT divided by 100. 60 is equal to what's the principal amount? 600. Rate of return R. Time period 3. Divide by 100. Chan. 3 6 are 18. I don't know. I'm going to send everything. 60 divided by 6 divided by 3 is equal to R. 6 ones are 6 tens are. 10 divided by 3 is 3.33%, or some people say 3 whole 1 over 3%. That's your R. That's your X. That's your X. Is everybody getting the X? Everybody getting 3.33? Yes. Are you, Alicia? Are you?
Yes, sir.
You? Chuchu? Chacha? Hey, you don't need
Yes,
to
sir.
do that, darling. 10 divided by 3 is
Yes, sir.
Abiha, did you get it? Adin Rafe, did you get 3 whole 1 over 3? Adin Rafe, jaldi karo. Yes, sir. Brilliant. Ariba Mania, Bakhtavar Kamal, did you get 3 whole 3 over 3? Bakhtavar, Iman,
Yes, sir.
Atamaru, sir, could you do the question again?
Yes, sir.
I didn't hear you. Okay. 600 became 660. The interest I earned was 660 minus 600. That's $60. Principal amount invested is 600. Rate of return is X. That's what we need to find out. And the time period is 3 years. Divide by 100. Chan. 60s are 18. 60 divided by 18 is 3.33. So just do this calculation on your own. It's 60 divided by 6 into 3. 6 ones are, 6 tens are. 10 divided by 3 is 3 whole 1 over 3%. That's your answer.
मेरा आ रहा है 3.333.
Yes, it does. Decimal में 0.33333 आता है. Okay. Zara, did you get that? Shami, did you get that?
जी सर.
Zara, did you get that? Okay, cool. Vaji, did you get that? She's Sarmad, Adil, Naveed. Naveed, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
BCCCCC, Naveed. Okay, next question.
Yeah.
Next question. Mustafa nahi hai, Mustafa. Okay, guys, I'm teaching you compound interest. Okay, compound interest का formula होता है A. Copy it, everyone. A is equal to P into 1 plus Russia divided by 100 to the power of N T. What is this? Is this T? N. Not T, right? N is T.
So what did you write in the power?
N. N for naughty. Nutty. Naughty. Okay. Naveed. N. Okay. Now, compound interest. Okay, guys, can I stop for a second and can I tell you the difference? Okay. Stop for a second. Give me a 1 minute so I can explain the difference. Simple interest में और compound interest में छोटा सा फर्क है. क्या फर्क है? Okay. I invested 100,000 for 2 years. Time period 2 years. Okay. Simple interest में क्या हुआ और compound interest में क्या हुआ? Okay. Simple interest में I invested 100 and the rate of return is 10%. ठीक है. Everyone, 10%. R is equal to 10% time. ठीक है. So simple interest का formula लगाया PRT over 100. Okay. 2 years straight. 2 years straight. I took 100,000. I invested it for 10%. Time period 2 years. Divide by 100. Chun, 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 chun. That's 10,000 into 20 is 20,000. Is everybody with me? ये 20,000 क्या है? Simple interest. तो मेरा amount क्या बन गया मूवी? I had started with 100,000 and I added 20,000 and the amount became 100 and are you with me? But compound interest में ये नहीं होता. I'm not going to use the formula yet because I have to explain the difference. Compound interest का मतलब compounded on a yearly basis or 6 monthly basis or whatever basis. ठीक है? But right now for simplification purposes we say compounded yearly, right? क्या मतलब? मैंने simple interest लगाया. एक $100,000 लगाए. Rate of return 10 है. पहले साल का बता रहा हूं क्या हुआ. Chun, 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 chun. I got $10,000. Yes or no? Yes or no? My simple interest for the first year was $10,000. Now what do I do? Well, what the bank, if it's compounding it to you, he says, Mobi, we will add the 100,000 and the 10,000 together and make the amount 110,000 at the start of second year. अब principal amount ये बन गई। सेकेंड ईयर फिर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट लगाता है, लेकिन इस दफा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कितना है? 100 एंड प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट कितना हो गया? वाओ। एंड उसका 10% for another year divide by 100 chan that's 11,000 into 1, that's 11,000. So 110,000 already ho gaya tha, and now I have another 11,000. So the amount becomes 110,000 plus 11,000, and it becomes 121,000. Are you with me? This is compounded. Okay? Do you understand the difference? Simple interest क्या करता है कि जो तुमने इंटरेस्ट कमाया था उसमें दोबारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं लगाता, वो सिर्फ प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट पे इंटरेस्ट लगाता है. It just puts interest on the 100,000, the original amount. Now the problem is that, you see, what happens is that my simple interest is 100,000. I got a 10% increment and it became 110. 110,000 add okay, it became 110. So the next year, if my money stays in the bank, it should be dealing with 110,000, not 100,000. So compound interest पे डरो मत. It's nothing कोई, oh my God, ये formula क्या है? It looks like an alien. No, it's not an alien. It's chill, relax. I'll just tell you. Let's,
Sir?
जी जानी. Yes.
So, but where is this formula? Like, where do we use this formula then?
This formula?
Yes, sir.
Are you talking about this formula? Where do we use it? जब compound interest का समान
Yes, sir.
the compound interest का amount बन जाएगा, जो final amount है. Let me check whether I'm doing it right. So I'm going to slant this out a little bit, okay, and try to छोटे बताओ जरा सा. Thanks. मैं आपको अभी कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला लगा के बताता हूं कि 21,000 आया नहीं आया. ठीक है? Have you done this before? टॉपिक है ना, आसान है ना, but comprehension होनी चाहिए. You need to have an understanding because my students need to get in. So let's put this formula back again into action. Okay, I'm going to put this down. Sorry, am I disturbing you? Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this formula. Okay, principal amount क्या था? Original principal. Original principal होता है. कितना amount था? 100,000. Is everybody with me? Azim, is everybody with me? Sorry, Azim तो अभी नया है अभी अंदर. Is everybody with me? Waji, Shamil, are you with me? Shees Imam, Naveed, Mubin, Motishim, Farhan, Iman Nadeem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I have 100,000 into 1 plus, what was the rate of return? 10%. Into how many years am I going for? 2 years. Got the game? So the amount becomes, leave the 100,000 the way it is. It becomes this is 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Whole thing squared is 100,000 into 1.1 squared. Are you with me? Guys, what is 11 squared? 121. So 100,000 into 1.21. अगर 11 squared 121 है, तो 1.1 squared is 1.21. You start using your logic, guys. So it's 1.21 into this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. Yahoo! Did we get the right answer here? Did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. You understand what happened here? This is a simple formula. The amount became 121,000. Are you with me? Okay. Got it? Okay, now apparently it's Bushra who has a problem and she doesn't know that she should be quiet. But let's put Bushra on a silent mode. How's that? Okay. आवाजें ऐसी आ रही करके. Okay, anyways, everybody got this? Everybody got this? Please use this formula again in front of me right now. You got 1 minute to win it. Come on, hurry up. जल्दी से मैम. आपने कर लिया था? कर ले जल्दी से. Do this. Halima, did you get it? क्या कह रही हो?
कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट जैसे अगर टोटल अमाउंट निकालने को तो ऐड होगा.
ये हो गया. टोटल अमाउंट है ये, ऐड नहीं हुआ. ये 121 डायरेक्ट अमाउंट दे रहा है टोटल. हेलो माय फ्रेंड. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, eyes on the board. This is the total amount. ये पिछले जन्म में आप सांप वाप तो नहीं दिए. Please concentrate. Just lying down on my table here. Guys, look at this. This is simple interest total amount. Okay, this gives you a total amount. इसमें कुछ ऐड वैड नहीं करना होता. ये सीधा बच्चा निकाल टक करके ये I'm winning. I'm the winner. Okay, you get it? You don't have to add anything. This is direct 121,000 is the total amount. 1 लाख पे 21,000 की एग्रीमेंट आ गई. Do you understand? Automatic system. सर ये सेकंड टाइम लास्ट लाइन में छन कैसे की है आपने? ओह माय गॉड. इस लाइन की बात कर रहे हो या पिछले पे बोर्ड की बात कर रहे हो मुबीन? इसी लाइन. ओ भाई ये छन नहीं किया है मैंने यार. वो खुदा का खौफ कर भाई मेरे दोस्त. दिस इज 1.21 जानू. 1.1 into square is 1.21 into 100,000. Okay, please understand this. This is this into this. ये छन नहीं है. ये छन नहीं की है. ये मैंने सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन की अक्रॉस द बोर्ड using Mobi's formula, Mr. DL. Okay, multiply, shift the decimal on the right, divide, shift the decimal on the left. तो simple multiply किया है. I've shifted the decimal on the right. How many zeros do I have? वाहिद, अदनाइन, तलाता, अरबा, खमसा. I have 5 zeros. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros here. ठीक है, 5 zeros to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what I did. It became 121,000. 121,000. Yeah, I'm in a class right now. मुश्किल हो जाएगा भाई. मुझे अभी याद है वो आज सुबह ही याद आया कि वो है क्या कहते हैं क्या नाम है इसका. मायरा का एग्जाम है कल भाई. बच्चों उनके स्टूडेंट दोस्तें भी आएंगे सारी. ठीक है. So I have a class right now. I'm going to finish this out. Then I'm going to do their work a little bit. I hope I'll try. हाँ इंशाल्लाह उस वक्त. Let's see. हाँ अगर नहीं बचती तो कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं, मसला नहीं. ठीक है. आई नो. कौन कौन मिसिंग है? मैं भी आया भाई को तो एक्सक्यूज कर देता हूँ. जरा कॉल करके मैं एक्सक्यूज कर देता हूँ. क्यों? हाँ इजी है. कल था. ओके भाई, अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर. बाय. Okay, guys, like a normal human being, I also have calls, elder brother. Now listen up, guys. Did you understand this question? Is there anyone who did not understand anything in this question? Please, you need to point out right now because इसके बाद मैं heavy weight सवाल करवा रहा हूँ. ठीक है? Is there any question? Halima, me sir. बोलो बेटा. Halima, what's the question? Halima, what didn't you get, darling? You want me to explain it again? I can explain again. Just say, Mobi, explain it again. Explain again. Okay. Alima, my dear friend from Gaon, listen up. The principal amount was 100,000, which was invested for at 10%. Original question is 10% 2 years. Compound interest के through calculate करना है. Compound interest है उसने बोलता है. The Gora says compound interest. So what I'm going to do, the rate of return is 10%. Divide by 100. Formula ये है. The amount that becomes is 100,000 invested. 1 plus 10 divided by 100. Now हलीमा, घर पे बैठे बैठे अगर तुम्हें नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, it's really tough explaining things, so you need to try to make it for my live class. Okay, next time 3 classes गुजर गई हैं, 3 classes live तुमने attend ही नहीं की हैं, ठीक है? This goes for everyone. Anyone who is not COVID positive and is in Karachi, anyone who is not COVID positive and is in Karachi should try to make it. I'll be there. Yeah, you've been saying that since last 2 months, Halima. You really need help, dude. Seriously. Okay, anyways, 1 plus 10 divided by 100 whole thing squared. Why squared? Because n की value 2 है. Years 2 years के लिए है. N की value 2 है. So it becomes 1 plus 10 divided by 100 is 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1. 1.1 का square is 1.21. And you multiply it by 100,000. You have a calculator. Calculators are allowed for compound interest. It always comes in the calculator version of the question. Jaldi karo ye. Take a minute to do this right now if you haven't done it already. Five C है syllabus.
Yeah, 5C and 5D.
Done हो गया? Done? Done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
मैं फॉर्मूला यार लिख रहा हूँ. छोटे पकड़ यार. क्या कर रहा है? चाय चोरी कर रही हो यार तुम. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you a dictate a question to you. So write this question down. Everyone, ready, steady, lights, camera, action. Okay. Find the compound interest. Now remember, excuse me, can I correct one thing before I go ahead? This A is the total amount. What do you mean total amount? Yes.
Not the compound interest in the
The total amount का मतलब है compound interest plus the principal. Okay? The total amount is the compound interest plus the principal. So अगर मैं total amount में से principal minus करता हूं तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Compound interest. Do you understand this? Do you understand this, everyone? I repeat myself. मैंने $1,00,000 इन्वेस्ट किए और वो 1,21,000 बन गए. Everyone, I invested $100,000. They became $121,000. Finally, so what's my compound interest? My compound interest is 21,000. Okay. So if I ask you for compound interest and you write this in the answer, they are going to do a -1 mark in your exam. Okay, I kept telling the ding dongs last batch. I kept telling them, beta amount निकाल लेना, beta amount निकाल लेना. उन्होंने नहीं निकाला. फिर बोलते sir, I almost got an A. Dumbo. You're not supposed to. If they ask you for compound interest, this is the compound interest. If they ask you the total amount, it becomes, this is the total amount it becomes. Because the principal is the one which makes the difference. Okay? Calculate the compound interest on $5,000. Calculate the compound interest on $5,000 for 7 years at 3% per annum. Annum. Listen to the English. Compounded annually. Compounded annually means every year. Okay? निकालना क्या तुम लोग ने? निकालना simple interest है, amount नहीं है. Do it yourself. I'm waiting. You have 1 minute to win it. Come on, hurry up. मिस मर गया आंसर 1 plus 3 divided by 100 कितने सालों के लिए चाहिए 7 years to the power of 7 so A is equal to 5000 into 1.03 3 divided by 100 is 0.03 the 1.03 to the power of 7 now pick up your calculators everybody pick up your calculators I'm busy 1.03 to the power of 7 and the baby born is 1.229873855 whatever multiply that by 5000 and my baby born is 6149.37037 dollars yes or no that's the total amount yes or no but what is the Gora asking for the Gora is asking for compound interest so what are you going to do minus the 5000 answer is $1149.37 got it everyone Fatma, did you get it? Farhan, did you get it? Iman, did you get it? Iman Nadeem, no response. Iman Nadeem, no response. Can you please?
Yes, sir. No.
Iman, I can't hear you, darling. Are you responding? Adeen? The compound interest is 1,149 point. Aage aapke paas? Adeen Rafi, did you get it? Very good. Adil, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Adil Zahid,
Yes, sir.
get it? Nahi, get it. Get it means samajh mein aa gaya. Now get it, do it. Okay, let's Ali bin Ashar, Ahmad and Kabir Alahi, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Ariba Mania?
Yes, sir.
Azim Irfan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we have Sarmad, Naveed, Mubin Bajwa, yahi answer aaya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, एक और सवाल लिखे. Okay, I invest $10,000. I invest $10,000 for 2 years at 7.5%. At 7.5% compounded every 6 monthly. Now put your pens down.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
The class will get over at 8 o'clock, beta. 6, 7:38, 7:45 maybe. Why, you have to go somewhere, Adil? Now, everybody, look at me. I'll make the question easy. 7.5% compounded annually. I made it easy. Okay. The amount I invested was $10,000. No, that's 100,000. 10,000. $10,000 at the rate of 7.5% for 2 years. Now, everybody, everyone, look at me. Look at me. This is annually. Annually, साल में एक दफा compound हो रहा है. Simple formula क्या बन जाएगा? 10,000 into 1 plus rate of return क्या 7.5 divided by 100 to the power of 2. Okay, pick up the calculator. That's 0.075. 1.075 squared into 10,000. I'll do things slowly. 1.075 squared.
Sir, annually?
Good. Brilliant. 1.075 squared. Delete is equal to this. SD guy. Into 10,000.
Sir, are we compounding it every 6 months or annually?
No, we're doing it annually, beta.
Sir, मैंने 6 months पे कर दिया.
Good, yaar. Now, कितना बन गया? $11,556.25. यही आ रहा है आंसर आप लोग के पास? So when I ask you what's the compound interest, what is the total amount? The total amount becomes $11,556. Is everybody with me? Now इसमें से $10,000 अगर निकाल देंगे आप तो आपके पास आएगा 1,556.25. That's my compound interest. Is that clear, baby? Is that clear, everyone? Zara, is it clear, बच्चा? Zara,
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया तुम्हें? Zara, समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. Zara, are you 100% sure you can do a question?
Yes, I can.
Done. Okay, Zara, what's the difference if I said not compounded annually की बजाय half yearly? अगर मैं कहता compounded, अब मुझे तुम्हारी brilliance समझ में आएगी. Compounded half yearly. Put your pens down, everyone. Do not touch a pen anymore. Yes. Zara, what happens if I say compounded every half yearly? Yes. Zara, any idea what will happen? I don't know. I'll tell you. Brilliant. So understand कि जितनी दफा कंपाउंड होगा उतनी अर्निंग ज्यादा होगी. कर तो हम लोग 2 साल के ले रहे हैं, बट एवरी हाफ ईयरली कंपाउंड हो रहा है. Okay, that means the more the number of times it gets compounded. Do you understand? So in 2 years, half yearly कितनी दफा होगा? 4 times. Do you understand what that means? तो आप half yearly percent लगाएं और 4 times कर लेंगे ये चीज. Want to see what the difference
Sir,
is? Want to see what the difference is, guys? Shamir, am I saying it right?
yes, sir.
I know, thank you. What was my amount, guys? Concentrate. They can give you anything in the exam. I invested, put the pen down, no chapification. If you have a pen in the hand, remove it right now. Concentrate. 10,000 ही invest कर रहे हो. 1 plus, यार तुम्हारा 7.5% था ना? For a year. तो half yearly कितना rate हो गया? Do 7.5 divided by 2 कितना होता है? 3.75. कितना हो गया? 3.7.
3.7.
Thank you, my friend. And how many times are you going to do that, my friend? 4 times. Got the game? Did you get the game? पहला अमाउंट कितना
Yes,
है
sir.
आपका?
हम लोग इधर हाफ ही लिख सकते हैं इनकी जगह half.
मैं फॉर्मूला रटवा दूंगा. फॉर्मूला रटना दुनिया का आसान तरीन चीज है. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है मिस? व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला फॉर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट?
PRT.
PRT over 100. आसान है ना? फॉर्मूला रटना इज द इजीएस्ट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड.
ये हाफ ईयरली होगा तो n की जगह हाफ ही लिख सकते हैं.
मैं n टाइम्स ऑफ t कर सकता हूँ. कितने साल के देता? 2 साल के. लेकिन क्योंकि हाफ ईयरली करना तो 2 से करना पड़ेगा. डिवाइड बाय हाफ मल्टीप्लाई बाय. ओके, सो मैं वो फॉर्मूला रटवाना नहीं चाह रहा. मैं तुम लोग को लॉजिक क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. समथिंग दैट विल हेल्प यू ऑल योर लाइफ. ओके, आई डिडंट गेट माय A stars through nothing. ओके, मैंने भी तुम्हारी तरह का स्टूडेंट था who researched, worked hard, practiced and got my A's. So how many times am I doing it? Every half yearly percent लगा के 4 times. Got the game? So pick up the calculator. It becomes 1.0375 to the power of 4. कितना आ रहा है? 11,508.65. पहले कितना आ रहा था? 11,505.65. 556 556 आ रहा था, अब 586 आ रहा है, 86.5 86.5 गाइस, पहले ये आ रहा था। अगर हम लोग इसको यहां देखो, मेरी तरफ समझो, जब मेरा अमाउंट, जब मैंने सिर्फ 2 दफा कंपाउंड किया था, क्योंकि साल में 1 दफा कर रहा था मैं, तो 2 साल में कितनी दफा किया? 2 दफा किया। आई ओनली कंपाउंडेड इट फॉर 11th, I only compounded twice and I got it $11,556. Got it? लेकिन अगर मैं 4 दफा करता तो कितनी दफा हो गया? 11,586। $30 का बैटरी है। Do you understand? $30 का प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाता है जितनी दफा। अगर आप मंथली करोगे तो क्या होगा? इसको टू द पावर ऑफ 24 करना पड़ेगा, और जो परसेंटेज था वो क्या होगा? 7.5 डिवाइड बाय 100 डिवाइड बाय 12, बिकॉज यू मंथली कर रहे हो। Do you understand? Do you understand the logic? It's very important that you understand the logic. It's very important that you understand the logic. So I will be having extra classes coming on Saturday and Sunday, everybody. I report this live to you right now. Do most banks use simple interest? Yes, they do. Compound करेंगे तो उनका लॉस होगा। जी हाँ, नॉर्मल बैंक सिंपल इंटरेस्ट देते हैं, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट नहीं देते, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर आप पैसा रिमूव नहीं करते तो वो कंपाउंड होता जाता है, ठीक है। इट्स ओके। बैंक्स इवेंचुअली गिव इंटरेस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर वाइज वो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट देते जाते हैं। कंपाउंड होता है लेकिन अब वो मंथली बेसिस पे नहीं करते, वो ईयरली बेसिस पे करते। Where's my kitchen? Where's my kitchen? I'll give you my calculator. Give me my kitchen first. Give me my kitchen.
I have to.
Bye, buddy.
Closing the door. I have this. So,
कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट वाले बैंक्स ही होते हैं, लेकिन ईयरली करते हैं बेटा, 24 टाइम्स नहीं करते। जो तुमने कभी सुना होगा कभी यू गेट मंथली सेवर अकाउंट, वो क्या करते हैं? मंथली सेवर में परसेंटेज कम कर देते हैं। वो परसेंटेज 7.5 नहीं देंगे। अगर आम साल की परसेंट 7 दे रहे हैं तो वो मंथली वाले में 5.56% दे देंगे। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? अगर आप ईयरली प्रॉफिट निकालेंगे तो 7% दे देंगे, मंथली निकालेंगे तो 5.56% दे देंगे। एंड ऑफ द डे बैंक में कभी बैंक का नुकसान नहीं होता। इसीलिए योर प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद वाज ऑलवेज अगेंस्ट द सूद सिस्टम। सूद सिस्टम में you eventually favor the banks and the सूद system favors the banks. Humans will always be at a loss. Organizations will be bigger. Okay? मैं आखिरी सवाल करके जा रहा हूं आप लोग को बताकर, ठीक है। Now 1.75 divide by 100 divide by 12. This is going to be a monthly percentage. तो मंथली में डिवाइड बाय 12 करेंगे और 2 ईयरली के लिए क्या करोगे? 24 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे। Do you understand this? So please pick up the calculators. Do this for me. Do this right now. Pick up the calculator. 4 सवाल मैंने भेज दिए आप लोग को, वो करेंगे आप लोग। Question number 16, question number 16, question number 17, question number 20 and question number 21. ये 4 सवाल दिए में, if you can do these questions, you can do any question in the examination. Okay? Related to compound and simple interest.
11612.
Okay? कितना रहा?
612.
612.92 $9. Please check. देखो, simple interest अगर मंथली बेसिस पे कर रहे हो 2 साल के लिए, रेट कैसे इंक्रीज कर गया? Do you understand the game? $11,600 कमाना शुरू हो गए, ज्यादा कमाओगे। Do you understand this? Do you understand this, guys? You start earning more if you do it 20 year, 24 month. So do this question, copy this question, understand the concept. The more the times you can, देखो ड्यूरेशन वही 2 साल है, लेकिन कंपाउंडेड कितना होता है? कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में अमाउंट बढ़ जाता है, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में अमाउंट बढ़ जाता है, ठीक है। Okay, guys, I will take leave now.